Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Are you ready to embark on a journey towards a stronger, more powerful you? Let's dive into a 2-week program designed to transform your core and boost your overall fitness. You might be thinking, 2 weeks? Is that really enough time? Trust me, with dedication and the right approach, you'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. Remember that fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. This 2-week program is a fantastic starting point, a foundation for a lifetime of health and well-being. It's about making small, sustainable changes that fit into your lifestyle, not about quick fixes or extreme measures. This program is designed for everyone, regardless of your fitness level. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, these exercises can be adapted to your individual needs. Remember to listen to your body, take breaks when needed, and don't push yourself beyond your limits, especially in the beginning. This is not just about how your body looks. It's about how it feels and performs. A strong core is the foundation for everything you do, from walking and running to lifting and bending. A strong core is much more than just having a six-pack. It's about building a powerful center that supports your entire body. Your core muscles, including your abdominals, obliques, and lower back muscles, work together to stabilize your spine, improve your posture, and enhance your athletic performance. Think of your core as the central link in a chain. If the link is weak, the entire chain is compromised. A weak core can lead to back pain, poor balance, and decreased athletic performance. On the other hand, a strong core enhances your ability to move efficiently, reduces your risk of injury, and improves your overall fitness. Many people think that endless crunches are the key to a strong core. While crunches have their place, they only target a small portion of your core muscles. This program incorporates a variety of exercises that engage all the muscles in your core, giving you a well-rounded and effective workout. Let's kick off this 2-week challenge with one of the most effective core exercises, the plank. The plank is a fantastic, full-body exercise that engages not only your core but also your shoulders, back, and legs. Don't be fooled by its seeming simplicity. Holding a proper plank can be quite challenging. To perform a plank, start by getting into a push-up position, then lower yourself onto your forearms, keeping your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core muscles, tuck your pelvis in, and hold this position for as long as you can. Aim for 3 sets of 30-second holds, resting for 30 seconds between sets. If you find the standard plank too challenging, you can modify it by lowering your knees to the ground. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the hold time, or try variations like the side plank or forearm plank with leg raises. Remember, consistency is key. Crunches are a classic core exercise for a reason. They effectively target your upper abdominal muscles, helping you build definition and strength in your midsection. While crunches alone won't give you a six-pack, they are a valuable addition to your core workout routine. To perform a crunch, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head, supporting your neck without pulling on it. Engage your core and lift your head and shoulders off the floor, focusing on contracting your abdominal muscles. Lower back down slowly and repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Remember to focus on quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer crunches with perfect form than to rush through a large number of repetitions with poor technique. Keep your movements slow and controlled, and avoid straining your neck or back. Leg raises are another excellent exercise for targeting your lower abdominal muscles. They also engage your hip flexors, which are essential for overall core strength and stability. Leg raises can be performed lying on your back or hanging from a pull-up bar, depending on your fitness level. To perform lying leg raises, lie on your back with your legs extended straight up towards the ceiling. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor to avoid arching. Slowly lower your legs towards the ground, stopping a few inches above the floor. Engage your core and raise your legs back up to the starting position. If you find this too difficult, you can modify the exercise by bending your knees slightly. As you get stronger, you can increase the number of repetitions or try hanging leg raises for an added challenge. Russian twists are a dynamic exercise that targets your obliques, the muscles on the sides of your abdomen. Strong obliques are crucial for rotational movements, core stability, and a defined waistline. Russian twists can be performed with a medicine ball or weight plate for added resistance. To perform a Russian twist, sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight. Hold a medicine ball or weight plate in front of you with your arms extended. Twist your torso from side to side, bringing the weight towards the floor on each side. Focus on engaging your core muscles and controlling the movement. Avoid using momentum or swinging your arms. As you get stronger, you can increase the weight or the number of repetitions. Congratulations, you've made it through the first week of this core strengthening challenge. Now it's time to give your body a chance to rest and recover. Rest days are just as important as workout days because they allow your muscles to repair and rebuild, making you stronger for your next workout. Rest doesn't mean you have to be completely inactive. You can engage in light activities like walking, stretching, or foam rolling. These activities can help improve blood flow, reduce muscle soreness, and promote relaxation. Listen to your body and don't push yourself if you're feeling sore or fatigued. Remember that consistency is key, and it's better to rest and recover properly than to risk injury. Now that you've mastered the individual exercises, it's time to put them all together into a cohesive workout routine. For the next 4 days, you'll be performing a circuit of all the exercises you've learned, with short rest periods between each exercise. Start with a 5-minute warm-up, such as light cardio or dynamic stretching. Then, perform each exercise for 30 seconds, followed by a 15-second rest. Repeat the entire circuit 2 to 3 times, depending on your fitness level. Remember to focus on proper form and breathing throughout the workout. Don't be afraid to modify exercises if needed, and listen to your body. You should feel challenged, but not overwhelmed. Congratulations on completing this 2-week core strengthening challenge. Remember, this is just the beginning of your fitness journey. Building a strong core is an ongoing process that requires dedication and consistency. Make these exercises a regular part of your fitness routine, and you'll continue to reap the benefits of a stronger, more powerful you. Don't be discouraged if you don't see drastic results immediately. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay focused, stay consistent, and most importantly, enjoy the process.